Rage has 3 issues right now, with one of them that I genuinely don't know how I'm going to fix. So I'm going to be relying on people's advice, comments, help, etc. All a big learning curve, always has been for me. So let's have a look at the 3 issues. First issue, which doesn't seem major at all, but it's really hard to get hold of. I have lost the nut that goes onto this here for the power steering pump. I normally bag and tag absolutely everything. I don't know why I've lost this. It must be in a drainer somewhere, or I've checked every single box I've got. So at the moment I am looking for the nut that goes on top of the power steering pipe for a 1998 MX5 NB. The second issue that I have is the car, when it's back on its wheels, the wheel arches are literally sat on top of the tyres now. Somebody in their infinite wisdom has actually cut this spring to try and lower the car in the past, and then another person had put an MX5 lift kit on to try and sort that issue. So I'm ordering new springs and hopefully waiting for my original MX5 wheels to come back, get everything back to stock, and then see how the car sits. This to me is an issue that I just can't really fathom out. I'm not good at this stuff. So again, I'll be relying on, a lot of people to try and help me. But right now, Rage will not roll. Well, it will, but it's catching the wheel arches. So I need to get that problem sorted. The third problem I've got is the MX5 steering column is just loosely held in now. And as you can see, it sort of comes right the way into the car. I have had some comments online which have been really, really helpful. Apparently this column can collapse by quite a fair distance. So I've got someone who's going to help me with that, because I don't feel confident in messing about with that. So I fitted the seat in just to, again, try and find out where the steering wheel is going to sit, and as you can see, that's a huge issue. But the other issue I have is the seat won't naturally go back and stay in place now, because there's this strengthening bar in the car here. So I need to remove that and then think about where it has to be re-welded in. Today I won't be tackling any of those 3 jobs though. I've just got a couple of hours down here today. So I'm going to do some general tidying up, and also the brake servo that I want to use on this car. I've noticed a leak. I think it's just an O-ring. So at some stage we'll take that apart, have a look at that, and get it refurbished. So today is just pottering around, doing whatever I can, updating my to-do board and research. So now that I've got the brake servo unit stripped down into a few pieces, the actual sort of air tank, as it were, itself, the black one on the right hand side, I'm going to order some plastic granules, which I've seen on the internet, and you soak them in hot water and then they become almost like a Play-Doh or plasticine. You can fill in any of the holes, threads, etc. that you don't want shot blast media getting into. You mould it and then it hardens up, and then obviously once you've finished a shot blast you can remove it. So I'm going to wait until I've ordered that and sourced the new O-ring, then I can show you the actual rebuild back of the servo unit.